you guys, so as you guys can see that I've already done the hair as a wig. So now I'm going to be styling the hair, and then I'm going to tell you guys more about the hair as we go. Okay, so since this is like a three-way closure, or it's just a closure, I am going to try to make it look like a frontal. Okay, so I'm just gonna try and do it like that, because like honestly there's nothing like more to do about this hair. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Got To Be styling spray or freeze spray. Okay you guys, so I already laid the lace down, so now I'm going to do my baby hairs, yes, and then I am going to start and curl this hair. I'm going to use this olive oil mousse. I'm going to take this wrap, and then I'm gonna wrap it just here. So I am so in love with this hair. I am truly in love with this hair. So this hair is closer or near to 200% density. As you guys can see, the volume of the hair is super amazing. And then this was 3 bundles of 18 inches Brazilian body wave, and then it came in with a 16-inch closure. If you want to purchase the hair, there is going to be a link down on the description box so that you can actually purchase the hair. Guys, to be honest, I am so in love with this hair. I am super in love, guys. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Woo.